Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. It says use Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle. So Heron's formula, you're given the three lengths of the three sides of the triangle, 7, 7, and 1. You want to find the area. You want to approximate to the nearest square foot. So here's Heron's formula. It's square root of S times quantity S minus A, close quantity, times quantity S minus B, close quantity, times quantity S minus C, close quantity. What is S? S is a semi-perimeter. S is half of the sum of A plus B plus C. So you substitute in 7, 7, and 1. That sums 15. You take half of it, that's 7.5. So then you take that, that's S here. You put S in, got 4 S's. You put that in 4 places. Then A, B, and C are the lengths of the sides. So A's 7, B's also 7, C's 1. And just work out the arithmetic. It comes out to about 3.49. I guess that would round to 3. So this is Heron's formula, and represent from ancient times for finding the area of a triangle given the lengths of the three sides of a triangle. Hope that helps.